This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim. We've moved house with our new rabbit. Come on. New pet.
Morning, Topsy and Tim.
Morning, Dad.
Mwah.
It's our first morning in our new house.
Can you put them in the dishwasher, please?
Okay. And we still haven't unpacked all of the boxes.
Oh, yes. Of course, new house. Dishwasher's over there with Daddy.
Oh, yeah. And the thing we love most of all about our new house is our new pet rabbit. Please, can we go and give our rabbit his breakfast now, Mummy?
In your pyjamas?
Yes! Please, double, please. Double, triple, please, please.
All right, just this once.
Yay! Hello, Rabbit. Hello, Bunny. Yesterday, Topsy gave our rabbit its food. Today, it's my day.
There we go.
And it's my turn to fill up the water bottle.
Oh, that's nice, Tim. Let the rabbit smell your fingers and then stroke him, okay? Perfect. There's his food.
Okay, thank you. We need to think of a name for our rabbit.
What are you going to call him?
What about Zebra? Because he's black and white. No, he doesn't look like a zebra. He's more grey than black. And he's too small and snuggly. I know, Snuggles! Yes, Snuggles! Snuggles? No, I don't think he likes that name. I like Fluff. Or Twitchy! Yes, we can call him Twitchy!
At some point, you two will decide on the perfect name for your rabbit. But right now, you need to get ready for nursery school.
Oh, I wanted to care for him. I wanted to clean out his hutch.
And you can do that later. But now Dad's all set to take you to nursery school. No more stroking. I'll put him in his run. So, hop it.
Okay, Mummy. Dean, boing, boing. Bye, bye, bye. We'll be back, Rabbit. Come on, Dad, hurry up. When we get home from nursery school, we can't wait to see our rabbit.
Scooters in the porch, please.
We've told all our friends about our lovely rabbit. Tony Welch thinks we should call our rabbit Jack after his baby brother. And Kerry thinks we should call him Moon after My Little Moon Bunny. Boing. Hello. Where is he? Mummy! Dad! Where's our rabbit?
Just over here. I'm showing him the garden.
Rabbit. Hello. So soft, Mummy.
Nice and gentle.
Please may I go and clean out the rabbit's hutch now, Mummy?
Yeah, of course you can, Tim. Come and help me get the stuff.
I can look after him while you do it, Tim. Okay, Topsy. Please can I show the rabbit our living room?
Yes, of course you can, Topsy. Let's go inside.
Okay. Yes! Come on! Yay!
All that into there, please. Very good.
So I care for our rabbit in the living room while Tim cleans out his hutch. I think he's getting used to me, Mummy.
Rabbits don't always like being stroked, so not too much stroking, Topsy.
Lunch.
Oh, coming. Now, where should we put the rabbit once we have lunch?
I know, I would have thought.
Oh, that's a good idea. Can you pull it out, Topsy?
I think so.
Good girl, let me help.
Whoops. falling off.
It's all right, don't worry. Oops. There you go, Rabbit. You'll be nice and safe in there once we have lunch. And there's a doorway hole this side.
Here you go, Bunny. Little Tiger will look after you.
Oh, that's a nice idea, Topsy. Come on, let's go and superwash your hands.
Hello, Bunny.
Absolutely. How about we call the rabbit Patch?
Oh,
While we eat Dad's special sandwiches, we think of more names. I know. We could call it lettuce. Or carrot.
I've got it. We could call it peanut butter. Yum!
You're funny, Dad. After lunch, we take our rabbit a little treat and see that he's already hungry. He's been nibbling our foot. We brought some lettuce for you. And look at little tiger. Oh no, he's been nibbled.
Oh, he's been gnawing, hasn't he? That's what rabbits do to make themselves feel at home.
And to make sure that their teeth don't get too long. Let me grab him. Come on. Oh, no, so good. Come here. Oopsie. And there we go. Hello.
You want something to gnaw on, don't you, little rabbit?
Yeah, he does. I'm going to clean and mend your chewed-up wooden foot.
To make sure you don't gnaw any more of Topsy and Tim's toys, we'll find you something else to nibble on.
I know what he needs. I tear up empty cardboard boxes for our rabbit to gnaw on. Oh, yes. He's a recycling rabbit. Here you go, little rabbit. Some nibbly gnawing cardboard for you.
Oh, that's really good thinking, Topsy and Tim. But old cardboard isn't always very good for little rabbits.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but look, I've just remembered that Mr. Fishwick sent you something for your new pet. Look. Gnaw sticks for your new pet.
Oh, yeah. These will be perfect for our new rabbit. Let's give him one.
Give it a try.
Look at his nose wiggling. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly nose. Hello, Wiggles. Yes, Wiggles. That's what we should call him. Yes, we can call him Wiggles.
That's a brilliant name.
I wish Carrie could see you, Wiggles.
Oh, Kerry will meet Wiggles very soon.
At night time, Wiggles went to sleep in his bed in our back garden. And we got ready to go to sleep in our beds.
Hey, twins. I just met our neighbours from across the road. Mrs. Miller and her daughter, Josie. They seem very nice.
Wait, I've seen a girl over the road that's riding a red bicycle. Is that Josie?
Yes, Josie's a bit older than you. She's nearly 6. And guess what? Josie is going to come round and play with you tomorrow.
Yes! And that's when Dad says, you are going to make a new friend in our new road.
You're going to make a new friend in our new road, Topsy and Tim.
Yay! Can we show Wiggles to Josie?
Yes, of course we can.
Yes.
Wiggles?
Oh, yes, that's our rabbit's name.
Oh, I see. Wiggles the rabbit. I like it.
Come on, you two. Wiggle yourselves into bed.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we named our new pet Wiggles. But what kind of animal is Wiggles? Is Wiggles a cat? Or is Wiggles a rabbit? The answer is behind the jigsaw piece. Look, the answer is a rabbit. Watch this. Topsy gave our rabbit its food. Today, it's my day. And it's my turn to fill up the water bottle.
Oh, that's nice, Tim.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play